Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell books on Amazon. First, you will need to set up your KDP account. This platform, Kindle Direct Publishing, is your gateway to reaching millions of readers worldwide. Simply use your existing Amazon login credentials or create a new account, then complete your author profile and provide your banking details so you can receive your earnings. This initial step is straightforward, typically taking only a few minutes. Once your account is ready, focus on preparing your manuscript. For ebooks, a clean, reflowable format like DocX or EPUB is crucial for a good reader experience across various devices. For print, you will need a PDF file that adheres to specific trim sizes, like a standard 5 by 8 or 6 by 9 inches. Do not forget a captivating cover. It is your book's first impression, so consider investing in professional design. Deciding on your book's price and promotional strategy is vital for success. KDP offers royalty options, typically 35% or 70%, depending on your selected price range and distribution choices. Consider enrolling in KDP Select, which provides powerful promotional tools like free book promotions for up to 5 days every 90 days, or Kindle Countdown deals. These features can significantly boost your book's visibility and attract new readers to your work. With everything in place, it is time to hit publish and launch your book to the world. KDP usually makes your book available within 72 hours, though it can sometimes be quicker. After launch, regularly check your sales reports to track performance and engage with customer reviews. Positive feedback and consistent sales will help your book gain momentum, reaching an even wider audience. Celebrating your accomplishment is also an important part of the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.